Hello everyone, I hope that you have a great day today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto-generate the .NET Core MVC 3.1, or actually 5.0 will be the same control with the CRUD views such as create list and details and update and delete view for beginners. Okay, and then here will be the steps. Here will be the steps involved. It will be the steps involved. I will give you examples later on. And then this is the sample running app. So I have created as kind of a student table, allow you to quickly create new students. Let me call this one. How about Mark? And then Lee. And then email will be mark at se.edu. And click the create button to create the student information. Very simple one. I don't want to make it too complicated at all. Okay, and then you can see that that is the created page. And then this will be the list page. List page, and then you can click the detail. Click detail to see the detail information about the student. And then you can back to the list. And you can also do the update. So maybe you can click this edit to do the update. I don't know, maybe change the email information. Something like this. And then save it. And then there you go. Email got changed. You can delete it if you want to. So you can delete it. Confirm it. There you go. Now we have only 2 students. So this is the video is about. What's the video is about? Yeah. So let's see how to do that from scratch. And then we'll try to write less amount of code, maybe less than 15 lines of code. So you can create an app like this. So let me close everything. Let me close the sample application. So let me close this one. All right. And then so let me close this one. So I'm using Visual Studio Community 2019 is the free software. And I'm going to click a new solution, or project. And I'm going to pick the ASP.NET Core Web Application. Click next. And then again, the project name, you can pick any name you like. So I'm going to call it demo student, student. And then the solution name, I usually like to do a little bit suffix such as SOL stands for solution. And then click create. And then I'm going to use the MVC model, web application MVC model. And then for the .NET framework, I'm going to use the .NET Core as for the ASP.NET Core version number. Even though I have 5.0 installed, but I will use 3.1. The reason is that later on, if my students watch this video, then the textbook is using the code from .NET Core 3.0, yeah, or 3.1. So it won't be have any discrepancies at all. But I think that the steps for creating this app, if you are using 5.0, it's kind of the same. It's kind of the same. So let me click the create. Yeah, I'm not going to use any authentication. So I will keep it as a default. Which means no authentication. Click the create button. There you go. So it will give you this introduction. Overview. I'm going to close it. And then on the right hand side, you can see that it has some default folders, okay, files get created. I'm not going to get into details, okay, because again, I just want to keep this video short, okay. So again, step one, you need to add two entity framework packages, okay. So let me minimize this one, and then the package you will be needing will be the Microsoft Entity Framework Core SQL database server. Okay, so let's use the NuGet. Okay, let me see. I believe it's here. Sorry, two. Okay, and then let me see. Okay. Yeah, okay. NuGet package manager. Okay, so let me click this one. Okay, click this one. Okay, so it give me the console. Let me use another one. Okay, give me a minute. Yeah, this one is easier. So I'm going to copy this search code. Oh, by the way, click browse first. Sorry, yeah, and then click the paste the description there. Microsoft Entity Framework Core.SQL server. Okay, and then select that one, and then just pick the check mark here. Okay, then the installation will be available, and then you can again pick the version you like. Okay, yeah, pick the version you like. So let me try this one, and click install. It will show you a lot of dependency files. Just click OK will be fine. Yeah, and click I accept the agreement. So this is one of the package, one of the two packages you need. Okay, so another one will be, give me a minute. Okay, so let me see. Yeah, it is installed already. So now the button changed to uninstalled. Okay, so now I need to use the Microsoft Entity Framework Core .tools. Okay, so let me again select that one, and then install. Install. Yeah. Click OK. Click accept. Okay. So for packages, I think that those are the only two packages we need. Okay. So now I'm going to use the code first approach. Okay. So I'm going to define a very simple student class. So select the model folder. Right click the mouse button, pick add, and then select class. Select class, and then pick the class. You can pick a name you like. I'm going to call it student. Okay, student, and then click add. So it will create the student class, and I'm using the C# language. So again, to make things simple, I was just set up three properties. So press enter key, type in PROP, tap 2 times, tap, and then it will show you the data type, and then let me call this one student ID. Press enter key, the insertion point will jump to the back. Okay, and then prop, tap, okay, and then this time let me try the full name, for example, and then press enter key, and then one more, tap, and then string, let's say email, for example. There you go. Okay, so that will be the class. Okay, that will be the class I want to use, and then I'm going to build it, kind of compile the class so that later on when I need to use it, it will be available to me. All right. Okay, the next one will be you need to set up the database. Okay, so you need to create another class file. Okay, it will be again. You can pick any name you like. Okay, so let me put it in the same directory. like in the models. Okay, so let me click add, okay, and then another class file. And this time, let me call it student, student DB database, context, context, and click add, click add. And then over here, actually, you have to expand is required, expand from the DB context, base class, base class. It will give you this warning sign, but then it's okay. Just select the namespace or required library, then the warning sign will be gone, and then you're going to set up kind of a constructor, so I'm going to save some time, so I'm going to just copy and paste the code, I have prepared already, so basically I just set up a constructor here, constructor here. And then this, again, you can see that it has the same name like the class name. And the parameter, will be like this, DB context option. And then the type, you have to use the same name like your class name is, again, is required, kind of required. And the parameter name option, you can pick whatever name you like, but then by default, uses options. And then extend from the base class, again, you can put the option there. And then for the body, just keep it blank, All right, and then now, with this one, set it up, we have to add, this one there, so you say, what is this? So basically, this one, is that, later on, when we want to use entity framework to create the database and also the table, this one represent the table, the name, the name of the table, All right, so we have done kind of step 3 already, step 4. Now we want to configure the database server and also name the database, right? You got to name, pick a name for your database. And then usually, again, by convention, it's not required, by convention. You will do this setting, in the application settings.json file, so again, it's not required, but then it's by convention, you do it over there. And then you can, again, put it at the top, again, to save time, I just copy the code I have prepared already, but then I will explain to you what's going on. So this is, again, JSON file. It has this kind of the key value structure, Then the key will be connection strings, and then the kind of the value field can be another JSON, it doesn't matter. So you pick a name, this one default connection, you pick a name you like, really doesn't matter. And then over here, it just indicated I'm using Windows 10 machine, so I'm going to run the default database server on my local machine. And then again, database name, let me increase the size, database name, you pick it, you just pick whatever database name you like, database name you like. I'm going to call it demo student app, and here will be the kind of the security setting or credential setting when I use the Windows machine, Then that's it. So that will be the setting in the kind of the application settings file, for the database provider, and also you pick a name, for the database, All right, and then one more thing I have to do will be in the startup folder, have to add a service, add a service. So let me show you, where the file it is, so let me stick with this one, click the startup, click the startup, and then you can see that it has a couple of methods in there, but then the one we want to pay attention to will be the configuration service method. So over here, I'm going to just again to save time. I'm going to just copy and paste this one. And I'm not very good at talking and typing, to be honest with you. To be honest with you. So again, let me paste this one. Do a little bit correction. And then this one, I have to change this one to my kind of database class. I call it a student. DB context, and then the rest of it will be fine. And then again, the compiler complain. So I have to import all using the right library. So let me import that one. And then a moment ago, you can see that I have created this file, but then over the tab here, it has an asterisk indicated I have created, but hadn't saved it yet. So now I save it, but then it's better that I build it as well. Yeah. All right. So let me see. Yeah, it's okay. Let me go back to the startup here. Yeah. So this one, student DB context. I hope I spell it right. Yeah. Let me see, student DB context, which is correct. Yeah. So I have to import the namespace, I believe. Yeah. Yes. You can see that my student DB context is inside the models folder. So I have to that the software know that you can find that one in the folder. Now the error is gone. All right. So so far so good. So far so good. So we have completed step 4 already. So now we're going to use the entity framework tool to create the database and also the students table. So we can use the let me see, the package manager console. Yeah, package manager console. Then I'm going to, I believe you can also go to tool here. To find it. Yeah. But then or maybe project somewhere or view somewhere. But then on my computer at the button here, there's an option for me to select the package manage console. So I will just use it. Then the command I need to type will be the add migration, migration. And then you pick a name. Let me call it a student. Student, STUDNT database, and also the table. So this is again the migration command. And then this is whatever script file you want to use in a minute. So in a minute, after I press the enter key, then the software will create a folder called a migration. Migrations. So let me press the enter key. There we go. Good news. Build succeeded. Then you can see that this software automatically create a folder called migrations, and then you can see that it has a couple of files created, and one of them is the file I pick up here. It has the timestamp today as well. And then if you look at the let me see. If you look at the give me a minute. Oop, not here. I have to press the right place. Yeah. My bad. Yeah. So if you look at the content of this file, then you can see that it kind of contains some statements to create a table we pick in the student DB context file. Yeah, this one. Yeah, and along with the fields we set up in the students class. Again, I'm not going to get into detail. You can spend time to read the code if you want to. Next one, I'm going to create the database. I'm going to create a database by running the command update. Update DB from the let me see, from the view, and then if you pick the SQL Server Object Explorer, and then if you try to look for a database called demo student is I mean you cannot find it. Even I do a refresh right now. Again, you can see that there is no database with that name yet. Again, the reason is that I haven't run this command yet. So let me run this command. Yeah, let me run this command. Yeah. Then you can see that now if I do a refresh, yeah, then you can see the database got created. Demo student app. Yeah. This is the one. We named in the app settings. Because we picked this one, and that's why it create this database file. And then again, you will have a table called students in there. There you go. DOB stands for database owner. And then this is the student table again. Where did it come from? It's come from the student DB context.cs because we picked a database name here. So this data set will create a table. Yeah. So there you go. And then as for the fields in there, so you will select the, let me see, view design. Yes, view design. Then you can see that it has 3 fields: student ID, full name, email. Where did it come from? It come from our student class. Student class. All right. So far so good. So this is all the steps we need to get to step 5. So next one is the I would say the amazing one and also the easy one. So as of now, we have the database created, kind of all the things created, but then we want to create an app. So we can run this create, update, delete, list, all those views. So, but then we prefer not to write any line of code. So this is the easy approach. So select the controllers folder, right click the mouse button and pick add, and then pick add the controller. And then among the templates over here, please pick the last one. Pick the last one. This one will create all the CRUD views and all the code for you. Yeah. Click add. And then the model class will be the student. Right? We have created it already. And then the database context is the student DB context. So again, this will be the one we'll be using, and it will generate all the view, all the code for us. The create view, the list view, the detail view, the delete view, the update view for us. And then again, the controller name, you can rename it if you want to, but then usually I will just use the default. And by convention, they will use pro instead of singular. So which will be fine, students will be fine. Click add. So the process will be, usually it's called step forwarding. Yeah, so you can see that it's doing this scaffolding things. Yeah. So let's wait for a sec. Yeah. And then you can see that you will create a new controller. You will create, okay, I think 5 views, okay, under the, let me show you, okay, yeah. Okay, so this is the new controller, and then under the views, okay, you will create a new folder called students, okay, and then under student, you will create 5 views, okay, create, okay, delete, okay, detail, okay, edit, okay, index, okay. So let's, okay, again, okay, just run the app, okay, yeah. Let me run the app, yeah. So there you go, okay, so it is up, okay, it is up, okay. But then again, to get to the students, okay, you can start from the URL over here, okay, students, okay, and press enter key, okay. Then you can get to it, okay. But then again, okay, each time, okay, if you want to try it, okay, you have to type it. It's kind of a little bit headache, okay. So I will go to this, okay, startup, okay, folder, okay, and scroll to the button here. This is the default controller, okay, home. I'm going to change to mine. Again, that's just the proof of concept, okay, so change it, it will be fine, okay. So now if I run the application again, okay, then you will load the students, okay, controller, okay, and also you will default to the index page. Then I can create a new student, okay, let me call it yeah, John Allen, it will be fine. Email, this one will be fine. Create a one and create another one. Okay, so okay, Luke Makim, okay, and this will be the email. Create another one. Okay, create our last one. Okay, Mark Lee. Okay. And then this will be the email create. So you can see that the create app works fine. And assume that we want to test the update, okay, so we can click the edit, okay, hyperlink, change this one to Allen, okay, click save, there you go, it changed. And then again, okay, you want to see the details, okay, then we can click the hyperlink details. So you will go to the details page, we can back to the list, okay, we want to delete the student information here. We can click delete, okay, then you can decide whether you want to delete it or back to the list, okay, so let me delete it, okay, there you go. So again, without us, okay, writing kind of a single line of code, okay, a quick app, okay, has been created. And again, if you go to this database, okay, yeah, you can select the view data, okay, the table, student table, sorry. So you can see that, okay, it got created, okay, it got created fine, okay, yeah. Let me see, student ID, I don't know why this one did not get created, but you got the idea, okay, you got the idea, okay, you got the idea. All right, okay, so let me close it, okay, and then this is how easy it is to again use the .NET Core, MVC approach to create an application having the create, list, details, update, delete views, okay? So again, the video is a little bit long, so let me stop the recording now. Yeah. I hope this is useful to you.